It's moving day. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, whichever it is. Hi guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we are in the process of moving, and today is the day that we get the keys to our new house. I haven't really announced anything here on YouTube just because I haven't been posting on YouTube. The last thing I posted was her potty training, and that's going amazing still. Like, she's 100% potty trained. She still has accidents here and there, but she's like, you know, she's potty trained. We're gonna get the keys right now. My mom is gonna take me and Zara. We're gonna go to Target first just to get some like cleaning supplies to clean the inside of the house before we bring anything in. Say hello. Hi. You're looking so big. When they see you, they're gonna think you look like a big girl now. Oh my goodness. Don't, baby, don't touch the camera. Don't touch. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you guys get the gist of it. I will continue the vlog when we're at Target. You look so freaking beautiful with your little ketchup face. Little cutie. Love you. Kiss? Can you give kiss? Can you give kiss? My mom just picked us up. We're going to Target. I stuffed her van with as much things as I could. There's Zara. Her hair in her face. No, you can't see the camera. Every single time I'm driving or like I'm in the car, we're just like always surrounded by mountains, and I always forget it's not like that for everybody else, you know?
Yeah, they probably
like that's crazy because I know we're so used to this. Like this is just normal. Like literally everywhere we turn, it's just mountains. We're about to order right now. It's pretty empty, so we love that. You guys got your cake pops? Oh, I got it. We're trying the cookies and cream one. These are our drinks. Mine looks way better than hers.
Mine actually is better.
Right now we're going to Salad and Go. And I feel like I've showed myself eating here so many times during my vlogs. Like there's like 2 or 3 vlogs straight where I was eating at Salad and Go.
I never saw that.
No, it was like a few months ago. My little precious baby. She fell asleep with her Cheetos. Also, yes, she's forward facing right now, but I only ever do that when I'm with my mom. A lot of people judge me on that.
Really?
Yeah, like if your baby's really small still. But yeah, I was saying like when people see other kids facing forward, like Zara's age, like they get crazy. They're like, you need to put her backwards right now. And I agree, but like sometimes I do have her, you know, forward facing. But most of the time we have her rear facing. Hi guys, good morning. At least it's the morning for me right now. I'm not really sure where we left off last. We are in the new house now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little tour. we're doing a little time jump of a couple days later. You know, we were just kind of busy settling in, unpacking everything, but I went grocery shopping this day, so let's try and restock and reorganize everything in the kitchen. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the house tour. I should be posting on here a lot more often now that we're all settled in. If I'm not on here, I'm pretty active on Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on there. I'm gonna go destroy this bowl of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching.